In order to download the data logged files from the Greyline DFM 5.0 Doppler flow meter, just plug in a USB stick into the USB receptacle. When you do this, the screen will begin showing downloading. Depending upon how full the data logger is, this downloading symbol will be here for varying lengths of time. When it is done, it will say complete. Now you can remove the USB stick and plug it into your laptop. Some laptops will automatically open the folder. If not, you may have to manually find the folder. Once you get the folder open, you'll note that there will be different dates depending upon how many times you've downloaded and different file names. So this is today's date at the top of the list. This is the file that was downloaded today, DFM 00B. Now start the Greyline logger software. Click on File, Open, Instrument Log, and go to the correct memory stick and that file name that we mentioned before, and click Open. This will download however much data is in that file. Again, if the data logger is quite full, it will take some time for this to complete. After that file has finally uploaded, you will see the graph appear of those data logged readings. Now you have two choices. You can point to one of these data points to get a pointing finger, double click, and you will get a chart of every data logged reading. In this case, it was set to log every minute. You can close that with the X. The other option is you can go to the data tools and format the flow data for 24-hour intervals. If you get this message, it knows that the power has failed at some point, so it's asking if you want to just put a 0 in there whenever there's a power outage, so I'll say yes. You'll get another graph popping up, and sometimes you won't see any flow rate because the graph is so large that they've been scrunched down here on this line. So just point to anything where your pointer changes to a finger and double click. Now you'll have a totalizer column for each day. And if we scroll to the very bottom of the list, this is today's date, here's yesterday and the day before, etc. And here's the totals for those days. You can put those into Excel, or you can save the file in another format.